Hey guys, Dr. Chad here. Well, the year has started. The holidays are over. Now it's time to raise your standards. 2018 is all about raising up your standards, right? Whether that's your health, whether that's your fitness, whether that's your job, finances, whatever it takes, you need to raise your standards, right? I'm sure all of you have all of your musts down, right? But you still want some needs, right? Do you look in the mirror and are you unsatisfied with the way you look? Well, get fed up and raise your standard and do something, right? That's what our workshop is all about coming up. It's actually Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday night is actually going to be at Mount Zion Church. Tuesday's at our Waukesha location, and Wednesday morning is also at our Waukesha location. We're going to be going over how to make a war plan for 2018, how to schedule, how to achieve your goals, how to write your goals, how to set action steps. It's one of my most favorite workshops we do every single year. So make sure you talk to your front desk and get signed up. I'm heading to the gym. 2018, here we come.